Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Bissell CleanView Compact Vacuum Cleaner. This is model number 3508. It's very simple to put together. This is how it comes out straight out of the box. Everything's assembled. You're going to take the wand, which can be used for an extension wand. I'll show you that later. You're simply going to snap it into place. Now here we have the hose. This just fits with friction right there. There's a little spot for it to go right there. We put our attachments right here. Now you can wind the cord up, move that down like that, wind the cord up around that. Now I love that this has foot controls. This is the release, and then this is to turn it on and off. Very, very nice. Here's what the brush roller looks like. There are no adjustments. It's got one height. When the bin is full, just press this button right here, take it over the trash can, press this button, everything's gonna come out. Very easy. Once in a while, you'd have to take these filters, lift this top off. There are some filters in the top here. Now you may have to rinse these out. These will get pretty dirty. Let them dry, then put them back. You can also take this out. I like that this all comes apart for easy cleaning. You'll be surprised how dirty this can get sometimes. And I love being able to get that all nice and clean. Put it in there, rotate it, click it. Now again, I can take this off. I can take the hose here off. Okay, now I'm going to simply, there's a little notch, line up the notch and lock it. And now I can put my crevice tool on. And now I got this really long vacuum cleaner. When I'm done, put the crevice tool, I have to take the hose off, snap that into place. And then this is just friction. So just push it onto that pipe down there. So let's see how it cleans carpet. Okay, so we got a really big mess here on the floor. Let's kick it over center, and now let's turn it on. Very lightweight. It's actually pretty powerful. When you're all done, turn it off. Okay, so I thought it did a really good job cleaning the carpet. Very lightweight, very portable. Let's simulate taking it to the trash can. Again, it filled it up. I got a lot more I could have put in there, but you're simply gonna open this. Everything's gonna come out, close it, and then put it back, and it's ready to go. Okay, so this retails for $70. That's a pretty good price. These typically do go on sale sometimes. I bought this with my own money. Would I pay $70 for it? Yeah. It's very lightweight, very portable if that's what you need. There are some others in a $70 price range that might be a little bit bigger, do a better job. But lightweight, portability, this one does. Again, no adjustment down here. Very basic, does not do very well on hardwood floor. It kind of kicks the stuff around because you can't turn the brush roller off. So I will put a link to this in the show description notes. They sell there's several manufacturers that look identical to this. I've got the Amazon Basics, it looks identical. I even think Eureka makes one. It was on sale at Walmart for 50 bucks. That's a pretty good price point. It looks identical. So it's wondering, it must be the same company or same manufacturer making all these for everybody, but they all have just a little differences. But anyway, if you could, click on the link down below in the show description notes. I am a Walmart and an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the links, the products don't cost you anymore, but I do get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of supporting my channel. Again, check out my Just a Dad Videos Facebook group page. Check out my Just a Dad videos on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll be doing free giveaways over there on Instagram also, so go over there and hit the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Again, really appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.